Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be, was this one open? I have 3 months worth of Nadine West packages to unbox. I think it is. Can you grab the other one and see if it's taped?
Yeah.
I think this is the next one. So I have March's and April's and then May's came today. It's crazy.
Mom, can you do the pink tea box next?
Well, I won't have time, honey.
Oh.
Okay, so this is actually March's bag. If you're new to my channel, I just gave birth to a sweet little, perfect little baby boy 3 weeks ago today. So life has been crazy.
So
he is. The end of my pregnancy was kind of crazy. I had a death in the family after my mom went, down south because my aunt was sick. Found out she had cancer within like less than 3 weeks. She passed away. Like, it's just, I don't want to talk about it. It was just crazy. And now that we have the baby, it's just crazy trying to get back into the swing of things. I feel like I'm in the dark.
Oh my gosh, it's so light.
So yeah, I'm trying to get caught back up on things, trying to find time to film. It's actually 8:29, which I should be getting the kids ready for bed, but it's just going to have to wait a little bit.
Yeah, because I'm going to help my mom open these.
So in here, hold on. Well, yeah, don't show my address though. This is the paper that tells what is in your shipment. So I have 2 bundles. Oh my gosh. So I have 2 bundles in here. If you're not familiar with Nadine West, it's a monthly clothing subscription. Well, you can get it like once a month, I think twice a month. You decide. They actually send you a stylist, picks out an outfit for you. You fill out a style profile on their website, and then a stylist picks out an outfit for you and sends it to you. You only pay for what you keep. You have so much time to send back what you don't want, and then they only charge you for what you keep. And it comes with a return address label, so you can send back. You put what you don't want back in the envelope, and you just send it back, stick the label on it, and you're good to go. Like, it couldn't be easier.
I know.
I forget what number this is because I've been getting Nadine West for a while.
And on this, if you guys didn't notice, it says, "Hi, Angela."
Okay, I just make sure my address wasn't on there. So the first thing in here is these leggings. These are actually super freaking cute. They're just black and white plaid. Look how cute. They have zipper pockets. Oh my gosh, and they're actually pockets.
Wait,
so the zipper part is a fake pocket, and then it has actual real pockets right behind the zipper part.
They're literally so silky.
They are. They're leggings.
I know.
They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these with like a white tank top or even a black tank top.
That's so cute.
Oh, and they're super stretchy. I love those.
I have pants like that in my drawer.
I usually
have that color.
I usually start with jewelry, and I already messed up. That's okay. The bottoms are called Noella. They're in plaid, and they are $20.99. So there's those. I cannot wait to try those on. The next thing in here, oh my gosh, these are like velvet leggings.
That's what I was about to say.
Me? So these are like a deep red, like burgundy, velvet legging. Oh my gosh. Look at those.
How soft are they?
They're super soft.
Oh my gosh.
I'll have to try those on. I love velvet, like everything sticks to them, so I'll have to see how that goes. But these are called Colleen, and they're in burgundy. They're $11.99. So this is, it's a dress. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this is called Perfectly Tied. It's in black. It is $37.49. I don't know if you can see with this light, but it has like the top part ties. It's like a V-neck dress, and then here's your top part that you tie over yourself. I cannot wait to try this on. It looks like it's going to go down past my knees. Yeah, you tie it over your chest, and then you leave the knot right there in the middle. That, I can't wait to try that on. That is super cute. Super simple black dress.
You can probably wear that in the summer.
Yeah. Okay, so this is, I would say that this is the top called Roughly Susie. It's in black. It's $26.99. It has a little V-neck on it. This is super cute. Look at the sleeves. It has like 3/4 sleeves, and it has like the ruffles on the sleeves. This will show up better like when I actually try it on. Super cute. Super cute.
They're sending me really cute stuff.
It might be. Nope, it's 3/4.
Oh, okay.
Super cute. I think it's 3/4. It might be full sleeve, but I think it's 3/4. This is by Hippie Chick. I always forget to say the brands, but that's okay. And then the last one in here is a top called the Emmeline. It's in true navy and it's $16.49. Let's open up this shirt. Like I said, I have 3 months worth. I just...
Emmy line is what it's called.
Emmy line? Okay, it's just like a basic navy t-shirt. It has like these little, just like a little seam on the sleeve. It looks kind of big. We'll have to see because it looks super, super big. This brand must have been really big.
This is a really cute design.
Yeah, so there's that.
What?
Super soft, super silky.
How do you...
Okay, so next in here is a necklace. It is called the Julianne in multicolored, and it's $24.99. This is neat.
I can read the next one what it's called.
Look how cool that is.
Oh my god.
So it's like on this black...
I thought those were earrings.
It's on this black, like braided chain. It's not even really a chain. But look at the little detail on there. The little, I don't even know what you call them. But they fade from like a coppery color. I don't know how to describe it, but I think that is super cute. Super cute to dress up any outfit. I like that. And then the last thing on here is this bracelet.
And it's called Jacinta Silver, and it was $13.49.
There we go. Is it stretchy? It's not stretchy, so how do you put it on and off? Oh, the little ball. Okay, so it has this little like disco ball thing on there.
I thought they were really pretty.
It's these sparkly like rocks, and then it untwists here to put it on.
So that's really cool.
It's magnetic.
Oh.
So it doesn't untwist. It's just magnetic. That's super handy. Look at it.
So that's actually how you get the bracelet on, and it's a detail. Isn't that cool, you guys?
That's really cool. Look how cool that is. I love that. Especially with the... That's so cute. Okay, guys, I will have to try these on, and I will be back once I try them on. See you in a flash.